Hello everyone. This is Frog. I'd first off like to apologize and say I'm sorry with the lack of content I have not been putting out. Some personal stuff has come up, and I'm still trying to buy some camera equipment to record more airsoft videos and slash gameplay, and fix my VR controller so I can make gameplay videos for you all. And the second thing I'd like to address and announce, with the help of my local field I play at, SEMO Airsoft in the Sikeston, Missouri area. I am not sponsored. I'm just putting this out there, so hopefully more people will come. But anyways, I have some big news for anyone that lives near me or is willing to make the trip down to us. We'd appreciate anyone. All is welcome. SEMO Airsoft is announcing their first ever roleplay event. Inspirations from many post-apocalyptic games where you, the player, can win in-game and out of RP/IRL rewards by participating in missions inside the game. There will be a total of 4 factions in the game. Here are the playable factions. 1. The first faction is the Freehold Coalition. It's made of civilians, and what you'll be wearing is civilian clothes or hunting camo. It's a rebel alliance formed from former civilians, ex-military, and idealists. They aim to restore the democratic governance and free New Bastion from tyranny. Their goal is secure the Aether Core to rebuild the Republic. The second faction is the Sovereign Directive. It's tan or black clothing. If you play as that faction, they're a militarized techno-corporate regime that only believes in centralized authoritarian control and can prevent another collapse. Their goal is extract the Aether Core and use it to enforce a new world order, and basically keep everyone under their control. The third faction is the Bastion Syndicate. Green or bounty hunter attire will be the clothing you'll wear if you play as this faction. They're a faction made up of rogue warlords, mercenaries, and smugglers who profited from the chaos, and they want to sell the core to the highest bidder or keep it to rule the region. Their goal is maintain control of the black markets and suppress the resistance. Now, that is all the factions, and if you could please share this around. We would really want this to blow up and be a big deal. Now, here's some information about the event. As I said, it will be in the Sikeston, Missouri location. You can also find us on Facebook at SEMO Airsoft, and also visit our website to see when we have local games or meetups at semoairsoft.com. It's a really cool place. You should check it out. We have a total of 3 different fields. If you have any questions about the event, please let me know. I will answer as many questions as I can. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me and my channel. It means a lot to me, more than you can know. Please like and subscribe. It's completely free. And hey, you can unsubscribe later if you feel like it. Anyways, have a good day, good night, good afternoon. Bye.